Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today I have with me another package. So here it is. It's a bit big to fit on camera. First scale, here's my hand. Kind of big actually. It's got, let me have a look. I unsealed this package. It has 6 cars, and yeah, I don't know 4 of the cars. I only know 2 of them. The rest were, just blindly picked. So let's see what we have here. My address is on the other side, so I can't really show you. Oh, I see a Prius. Okay, here are the cars. So let's throw away the envelope right now and take a look at the cars. So first up, we have a Prius. Yes, finally another one I don't have. Put that there. A blue box, not for sale. Let's have a look. R33. This is either a gold or silver chrome. This one I ordered as well. This is a Tomica event model. Toyota Crown Athlete, I think. Should be, just can't remember, have to check that one out. Subaru Forester, limited color. Subaru Forester, normal color with a sticker. And a mystery box. So let's see what was inside this mystery box right here. And it is, it's a chrome. It's a chrome WRX. So, yeah, kind of cool. Light bar on top. Well, not really a light bar, but pretty cool. So it's an unmarked patrol car, a bit of blue tack below, but can't complain. Number 54, Subaru Impreza WRX. This one's from 2000, so yeah, pretty cool. Not too bad. Oh, the back has a bit of plastic back here. Pretty interesting. Haven't seen that one before, so it's good to see it. And okay, let's just open the rest while we're at it. So let's get our screwdriver and open them up. So for the GTR R33, holy crap, this one looks nice. Perfect chrome, no flaws whatsoever. Really, really cool, really nice. This one's for my friend who is a chrome collector, so yeah, it's really nice. Wish I could have it, but sadly it's yours. So giving that away, sadly. Let's put that one back. And we all know the Forester. Let's have a look at this Forester limited color. Haven't seen this one in a while. So there is no catalog, which is kind of disappointing. But anyway, here is the limited color Forester. Yep, there is no catalog. Just pretty plain, nothing much. But, different color. While we're at it, let's see if this silver one has a catalog. And, nope, someone took out the catalog. Pretty sad. Anyway, the next two, let's check out this event special. This is the Toyota Crown, not the Crown Athlete. With special model on the front right here, and a wheelchair sign at the side. Pretty cool, with your rear light tempos taking up half the entire bonnet space. So yeah, pretty neat. Special model again here on the front in red, and your chrome headlights. So let's put that one back in the box. It doesn't even say Tomica event model because it just says Tomica special model. And anyway, this one is a Toyota Prius from some random series. So this one includes a sign, pretty weird, 3.3 meters. No idea what that's for, but that doesn't really matter. I don't really care about the sign. I care about the car, which is a Toyota Prius in complete black. The 2003 model, and no extra details for the back. Fortunately, it's just completely plain black. Pretty cool, pretty neat, with a light brown interior. So yeah, finally one more Prius adding to the collection. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Another mail haul. And I may have more packages arriving soon. I know, I buy too many cars. More packages arriving soon, and I just noticed something, that the WRX, why is this like so much shinier than the rest? Maybe if you know what happened to the roof, just let me know down in the comments. And anyway, yeah, thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.